In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design, export, and test email HTML from Figma. We'll walk through building your email with Emailify inside Figma, setting it up for mobile and dark mode, exporting clean HTML, and previewing everything before you send. Start by opening your email design in Figma. If you are starting from scratch, keep your layout simple and consistent so it translates well to code. Next, go to Plugins, search for Emailify, and run it. When the panel opens, click Add New Emailify Container. This container is important. It gives your design the structure the plugin needs to generate reliable, table-based email HTML. Now build your layout using the starter components in Emailify. Browse the category tabs to drag and drop pre-designed rows, like headers, hero sections, content blocks, and footers. Here is a crucial tip. Do not nest these Emailify layers inside your own Figma frames or groups. If you manually wrap them, they may export as images instead of proper code, which breaks responsiveness and accessibility. Let the plugin handle the hierarchy and place components exactly where the container expects them. Once the structure is in place, open the plugin's settings to set mobile overrides. Adjust font sizes, padding, and stacking behavior for smaller screens, so your content is readable and well-spaced. These overrides automatically kick in below the desktop frame width, typically around 600 to 640 pixels, which is standard for email clients on mobile devices. If your audience uses dark mode, use the built-in dark mode preview. Here you can set custom color overrides and swap images for versions that look great against dark backgrounds. For supported clients, aim for strong contrast and avoid colors that become muddy when inverted. When your design looks right, it's time to export. Click Export HTML in the plugin header. You can send it directly to your email service provider by selecting a platform such as MailChimp or HubSpot. Then securely authenticating to connect your account so the template uploads straight in. If you prefer manual control, choose the HTML zip option. This downloads a package with your index, HTML and hosted images, ready to upload to your ESP or version control. Finally, test for compatibility. Email clients render code differently, so do a quick check with the in-plugin preview. View both desktop and mobile to ensure spacing, fonts, links, and images behave as expected, and confirm your dark mode overrides look clean and consistent. That's the process from design to export, all inside Figma. Thanks for watching.